a video that I just did, someone had commented, oh yeah, would love to see you try out butt pads. I'm sitting there analyzing whether or not I should be offended. And of course I wasn't. I said first. It's one of those things where you know you're gonna be made fun of, so you do it to yourself first so it doesn't count. It's crystal clear. I've always said I have a flat ass. Watch out, coming for your brand. It's been like over a year and I'm still here. I can't even be ashamed of my small flat ass because my ancestors would be sad. So if you have a small booty like me, welcome to the family. Like this video because now I'm very curious to see if you're not ashamed, do it. Don't be shy, you little mochi buns. Once again, I went on Amazon. Let's find some buttocks pads to make our ass look bigger. It's so flat, it hurts. My assicle is so flat that when I turn to the side, the bottom half of me disappears. Why can't my tummy be like that? If I could take all of this and glue it here, girl, life would be fair, but it isn't. When life gives you lemons, make sugar-free lemon tea. Oh, yeah, sadu. Listen, Linda. Here we go. This butt pad came with thighs, hourglass. I thought it'd be interesting to just see how my body would look like if it were an hourglass. Shape me up. And this is no shade to girls who are boxed up like me. Girl, I love my boxed up body. Think of it like I'm putting on makeup. Am I wearing my fupa undies? Yes, I am. Whoa. Whoa. This is in the size medium. Oh my! I bought a BBL on Amazon. This doesn't even look like me. It's kind of scary. Shut the I don't like it because it's not me. I'm used to my little hip dips. Damn, look at it. This is not a lot of assicles, all thighs. Padding here, but there's like no padding here. I guess we're starting off strong without assicle pads. That's like a solid like 3 inches off my hips. I'm suiting up. Oh, so snug. Whoa, how does it look like? How does it look like? I see no difference. It feels really cool. It's just not me. I feel really like inauthentic. Dude, it looks really good though. Like, I'm not gonna lie though, it looks good. I feel fake. Damn, girl. It did nothing for my booty. Damn, these hips don't lie though. Oh my god, look how tight. Wow. The funny thing is, you can totally see the outline padding on my thighs. Maybe you can tell. But like, catch me in this in public. Stop! Not Khloe Kardashian, I know. There's nothing wrong with faking it till you make it if that's what you want. I just don't think it's like necessary because honestly, Kim, I love my thighs. I think my thighs are beautiful and toned and glazed. It has nothing to do with my booty anyway. I don't think these are staying. So this next one, bruh, this is a whole helmet. So these are butt pads and a seamless underwear. I mean, the underwear looks really nice though. It has a nice wavy lettuce trace. It's like styrofoam. Damn. Damn.
Sorry, I'm an anti-romantic.
Oh my. I mean, it feels nice. Do wrap around my tummy nicely. However, I don't know how well it'll hold. I feel like I'd look really good with an ass. Stop it. It's so funny because it's like loose right here. I don't know if you can tell. Damn, girl. Damn. I feel my underwear. Oh, my ass just got up higher. Is that supposed to happen? Ooh. From the front, I'm not offering a lot because I don't have my hips in. Does it look like it's something? This is how big I would want my ass. Only like a good 3 inches off my actual ass. Yeah, it's like 2 inches off my ass, okay? Let's not be dramatic. Hey. Did you want some coffee? Oh, I dropped something. Oh. It's kind of getting stuck in my ass crack and it shifts a lot when I go up and down. Okay, hey girlie. From a booty girl to another newly booty girl. Is your butt supposed to shift like that when you bend down? Does it happen to you? No? Oh, I wouldn't know. It's like riding up my ass crack. Look how high my ass just got. Do you see it? That. As much as I want to like this one, it grinds up and down the booty hole. It's not consistent. However, the shape from the side, I like it. If you're taller, I don't think this would like be amazing on you because you'll have like so much ass to cover, but I'm short and stout. If you don't mind one butt cheek riding up your ass, this one might be the one for you, sis. Here is another one that comes with all this cushion. Can I take measure her? This is your new butt. These are your new hips. I guess we just stuff ourselves like a turkey. That's a lot of work. Before we measure our stick, Let me just assemble my new butt. This is basically mesh shapewear. It's like build a bitch. I mean, bear. I need a hip. Okay, got a hip. Where are you? Other hip. There we go. This is perfectly circular, so I guess it doesn't matter how we plate ourselves. I see us coming together. Put our other side dish in. Oh, I mean, look at. Did anyone order enchiladas? Not sure how this is gonna work. Since we're here. Wait, that's not my ass. I'm 36 inches in the ass. Mama Linda did not birth me and gave me nothing. She's a whole ass 36 inches in the front. Here we go, surgery time. A tightening underwear. Oh my, maybe a little small. This is supposed to go all the way up. We'll go up my natural ass. Oh, this is restrictive. Girl, are you okay? Yeah. It won't go on my fupa. This is a medium, I thought. My hips are down by my knees. My ass also down by my knees. Vagina. Overall, the pads aren't overly thick, so maybe that would have worked better in my favor. Versus the first hip one. There you have it. I don't know what else to say. So I have 2 more butt pads coming in tonight. We're just gonna have to wait for that. Damn, girl, look at these. It stretches all across your thighs. Widespread ass. Okay, shake that. What? First of all, they look like boxers. It might not look big to you, but it's bigger than what I normally see, so it looks humongous, enormous. This one looks really fake, and I feel like you could totally tell because there's like a dip right here, and then the ass starts. Ooh. I mean, it's nice that the jeans kind of press it down a little more so it doesn't look so artificial. This one looks like I can't get away with it. If I walked across you from afar, you might say either she got a nice butt implant or she got some padding going on. You can't fool me. This one just doesn't look natural at all. This butt pad is the most noticeable, but definitely the most fake feeling. Oh, it feels so weird. I'm not even sitting on it. She got back foam. Support for her back. I'm literally not even sitting on it. That's how low my butt is. That's literally back support. Shake that, yeah, if you're looking for some back support there. Okay, so these are the last one, and honestly, it looks like a strapless bra. So this shapewear butt pad actually has like this bandaging going on these sides. Okay, so I'm wearing my underwear underneath these ones so you can really see. It is a little bit see-through. They are the most comfortable in terms of it fitting without it sucking too much and being too tight around the cellulite. Got my natural hips going on, so there are no hip pads. This is probably the thinnest. Also, the butt pad, if you notice, expands out to like the side, gluteus medius. You could totally see the padding through my jeans, especially on the side right here. This one looks the closest to my natural ass. You can't even tell I have butt pads in, I feel like. Maybe this one's more meant for that rounded shape from the back versus like giving you ass from the side. Am I wrong? I won't be offended. The padding is super minimal, half an inch out, so it looks like my real ass. I guess of all the butt pads, this one is the most comfortable, and then the seamless black one, we tried the second one, probably is my favorite in terms of giving me a little bit of juice and it still being comfortable. I'd like to note that I was very impressed with the hip wear that we first tried on. I kind of really like it. So if you are looking for butt pads, I'd recommend those 3. No shame in this game, okay? Just own it. Okay, like probably not own it aloud and public. That is it for this booty pad turkey stuffing video. If you enjoyed and want to see more, make sure to like. Until next time, I'm sending love. Bye!
Even if you try, you